Ms. Tanishi Baumik, Samadrita Chakrabarti, and Ms. Pia Banerjee D'Souza. Thank you for coming, Ananta. What is this form of dance, and how did you get involved in this, and what are you going to present to us today?
Thank you, Nisha. Hi, everybody. We are going to perform Rabindra Nitya, which is, as Nisha already spoke about, what is Rabindra Sangeet and Rabindra Nitya. It is a dance form created by Tagore, and he was an art lover. And we are going to perform a few songs from his huge gamut of his verses and poems. We will take a few songs from his Gitobitan and we will perform one by one. And at this moment, when we are living through this pandemic, in this time also we can find, our soul can find solace through his verses and his words. Just like the bird that feels the light even when the dawn is still dark. We'll perform through our dance performance. We will also try to portray the hope and light for the future days. Thank you.
It's really good to hear, and we look forward to your performance. So, I think the first performance for the day will be done by Ms. Tanishi Baumik. She's 10 years old and studies at the British School of Baden. She started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 5 and enjoys dancing and other forms of art like singing and taekwondo too. So let's see you perform, Tanishi. And what are you going to perform today?
Today I'll be performing Rabindra Nitya style of dance on a song called Amra Durakashe Neshai Matal. In this song, Tagore talks about the new generation and their endless possibilities.
Good. So let's wait to see you. Thank you. That was so nice to see you, Tanishri. And all those who are watching you will be really very happy. And so let me call upon the next performer. She's a 13-year-old studying at the Al Noor International School in Bahrain. She was born and raised in Kolkata and Muscat before moving to Bahrain. Started to learn her Bharatanatyam at the age of 4 and have performed in various programs. A student of Srimati Hansul Gani. May I call upon Samadrita Chakrabarti. And what are you going to perform today for us?
Hello, I'm going to perform a Rabindra Nitya dance by Rabindranath Tagore, and it's about nature. And mostly Rabindranath Tagore wanted to explain rain in different ways.
Good. Let's now watch her perform the rain dance, right? That was really very good. The song was very good. Thank you so much for performing for us. May I now call Miss Anantita Baumik, born and brought up in Calcutta and lived in Bahrain for the last 10 years. She started learning dance at a very early age and soon enough realized that it was a passion and food for soul. Thank you, Anandita, and can we hear from you?
Yes, so the song I have chosen for this evening is also from the nature section, the seasons of Rabindranath Tagore's Gita Vitan. In this song, also Rabindranath Tagore is talking about the beauty of nature and how the beauty of nature takes away all our worries, and we can hear the tinkling sound of ornaments through the raindrops and the fragrance of the Ketaki flower. It's actually talking about the nature. Thank you.
So we're all waiting to see it. Watching you dance did take away our worries for a couple of minutes though. Thank you so much, Anandita, for being with us. The last performer for this dance is Pia Banerjee D'Souza. She's been in Baran for the last 21 years and she's hailing from Nagpur, India. She was trained in Bharatanatyam from the age of 4 and has also learned the Rabindra Sangha style dance. Dancing, she says, dancing is a passion for me and place where I love to lose myself. Let me call Pia Banerjee D'Souza. We are very happy to have you here with us.
Thank you very much.
So what are you going to perform for us today?
So keeping with our nature theme, the song that I will be dancing on is also based on nature but a devotional style. It's called Amar Mukti Aloy Aloy, where the poet speaks about how I find my freedom in the light of the sky, in the dust and in the grass, in the sacrificial altar of my Creator. I find my freedom when I offer myself there.
So you're dancing with your hands and now let's see you dancing completely. graceful to watch you, Pia. Thank you so much for being here. Let me call the other participants also. We would like to honor you with a small token of appreciation. May I now call upon Dr. Nidhi S. Menon, the director of Babahara Envisions, to be with us here.
Thank you, Anandita ji and team, for the wonderful performance. Thank you so much for performing in Samanvaya 2020.
And this is for Tanishi Baumik, a little dancer out here. Chakravarti. Anandita Baumik. And Ms. Pia Banerjee D'Souza. Thank you all for being with us. Coming up next is a Carnatic classical Sangeetam